Hey guys, welcome back. If you would like to see my super easy beginner friendly lash routine, then you already know what to do. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that red button and join the Murder Show fam. Okay, so of course you'll need lashes, lash glue, and a mirror. I'm just applying the glue to the lash, and I like to take something and thin the glue out just to make sure it's not too much on. And this is important. Make sure your glue gets tacky. I also shape the lash a bit. Now using my tweezers, I'm just going to pop the lash right in the middle and pull from edge to edge. Then I use my tweezers also to push the false lash in with my natural lash. Another great tip, guys, it also helps to look down into a mirror so you can see exactly where you want to place your lash at. Okay, guys, and that is pretty much it. That is all I do. Simple, simple, simple. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you this one too, and it's already tacky. Pop it in the middle and pull from edge to edge. And as you can see, I spend a little more time pressing the edges down because baby, there is nothing like a lifted lash. So annoying. Okay guys, that is it. As always, thank you so much for watching. And what do we think about the wings? I've been watching Aaliyah J. She is life. Don't forget to hit the button. Bye.